Hello, good morning. Good morning mga palangga. So this is our morning routine with Baby Lily. So at this moment parang 7 o'clock na ata to in the morning. So I'm having my breakfast kasi si Jan dinadalhan niya ako ng breakfast dito. Porridge lang naman and hot water which I always requested in the morning. So dinadalhan niya ako dito. Dito na lang ako kumakain sa kwarto namin para I watch Lily. She's still fast asleep at this moment of time. So I feed her around 5 o'clock this morning. So, kaya tulog pa ating baby girl. She will be ready for her feed about 8 o'clock-ish in the morning. And she will be waking up for that. Kasi, of course, I think every baby, pag gutom sila, gumigising talaga sila. I don't know if that's all the case. But yeah, sobrang ano talaga kung hindi mo siya finifeed on time, nagagalit talaga yan. Sobrang lakas umiiyak. So, anyway, while she's fast asleep, we need to have energy kasi of course, gagaling na natin sa night shift and mamaya magiging busy na naman tayo kasi of course, feeding on demand tayo kaya we need energy.
Come here. Yes. Daddy's here. Look. Turn your head. Come on. Turn your head. Daddy. Where's the pea pies? Yeah?
The vitamin D, isn't it?
Yes, Chucky. You little bear. Right.
Finally, unti-unti na nagigising ang ating baby girl dyan. Tingnan nyo, nag-i-stretching pa. And then, binibigyan ko siya ng vitamin D kasi yan yung recommended ng midwife. At this moment of time, unsure pa siya sa lasa ng kanyang vitamin D. Kaya yung face niya ay nako, hindi maipinta. So anyway, after ko siyang mabigyan ng vitamins, nag-feed ako sa kanya. Then, binaburp ko siya. And then afterwards, we're getting ready for the day. So binibihisan ko siya. It is a challenge mga palangga pag binibihisan ko siya kasi umiiyak talaga siya. Parang giniginaw siya ata. Parang if I change her clothes. But yeah, that's a challenge to be quick and para hindi mag sigaw-sigaw yung ating baby girl. I can hear you, baby girl. I can hear you. Finally, at nabihisa na din si Lily. She is fast asleep because she's full and dry and satisfied. So, natutulog na siya. So, it's time for me na naman na mag-get ready kasi bababa na kami maya-maya. Once we are both presentable, bababa na kami dito sa aming living room. So, we are spending our morning here. Binababa ko si Lily para may routine siya at para ma-differentiate niya yung morning and bedtime. At para paunti-unti ba na masasanay siya sa oras natin and hindi siya masyadong magigising during night time. I need to change her mga loves kasi na naman siya, nag-vomit ng milk niya. Hello? Now you're hungry. You're hungry now, aren't you? Yes. Hello? Yes, Lily Bear. It's so cold today. Yes, anak. You're just gonna put your bib on and then we're gonna drink some milk. Here. Here. Sa mga nagtatanong pala dyan kung ano yung formula na gamit ko para kay Lily, ang formula na gamit ko para kay Lily is yung Kindamil kasi yun yung suggestion or recommended ng midwife. But at this moment mga palangga, ang gamit ko is yung liquid, yung ready to feed. Meron akong yung powder pero hindi ko pa siya ginagamit kasi at this moment mas convenient kasi sa akin yung ready to feed na formula kasi nangangarag pa ako sa routine namin and I am still learning. We're still both learning. Milk drunk na dyan si Lily, natutulog na yung ating baby girl. Pero minsan mga palangga, natatawa na lang ako sa sarili ko kasi pag nilalapag ko si Lily, ay nako, wais din yan minsan kasi nagigising. Kasi mas prefer kasi niya na karga-karga ko siya pag natutulog siya. Pero minsan I just need a break as well kasi nangangalay yung aking braso. And of course, pag natutulog na yung ating baby girl, matutulog din tayo. That's our moment then. Nakatulog ako ng kaunti mga palangga, mga 30 minutes lang siguro. Mag-hot chocolate tayo. Para magatasan tayo. Normally ako pag nag-hot chocolate ako, warm milk sana yung ginagamit ako. Pero tinatamad ako mga loves. Kaya i-half-half natin, half hot water and then half milk. Ayun na, at umiiyak na ating baby. Hello, baby love love. Hello. Yes, mommy is right here. Yes, 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 yes. I'm here, I'm here. I'm here. I'm here.
Idus, Ben. Ano ba, Jess? Kung magperti, magkabawa ni Be. Namulag mo yung tao. Oy, nagkutas, mama. Mami, ugatas pa. Hitando, be po siya. Nagkutas, mami, tao gatas. Uy, no.
Right, let's go.
Tawar mo ro, piyong-piyong ro.
Let's go. Let's go, let's go.
Ang ka, mami,
Let's go.
Tika, ha?
Let's go and have
Milk
milk.
ka na mong volleyball? Le?
Milk.
Into ka rin volleyball, le? Nangalkag mo si Lily pag tinabaw.
Malkag. Okay, itim isuka. She's crying a lot and then now she's don't want any food. You don't want to have a milk because you just want cuddles. You want cuddles, that's okay. I'll give you a lot of cuddles. Yes. A lot of cuddles. Oh my goodness. Nakatulog ako mga loves. And then si nanay yung nag-alaga kay Lily for a while. So at least I feel a lot better. My goodness. So anyway, ito yung routine talaga namin. So once I've dressed Lily, we go downstairs, get ready for the day, and then kung may mga bisita, dito namin tinatanggap yung bisita namin. For the first 2 weeks talaga na she was born, it's busy kasi there's a lot of people in and out visiting Lily. It's nice to see them, and that they are happy that Lily is here and all that. They're wishing Lily well and for me as well. So, yun. Kahit na sobrang busy ako sa anak ko, tinatry ko pa ding alagaan yung sarili ko, lalo na sa paglalagay ng ointment sa aking mata dahil sa aking Bell's palsy. Sa mga nagtatanong pala sa aking Bell's palsy, still no improvement, or kung meron mga improvement, very small. You can hardly notice it, but I'm hoping that with time, it will get better. Malakas pa din yung hangin until now ba? Sobrang lakas. Sobrang convenient nito. Ito yung ginagamit ko for now. Meron naman akong powder, pero feeling ko si Lily hindi niya gusto yung powder. Hello, baby girl. She's waking. She is waking. It's okay. Mama is right here, darling. Mama is right here. Mama is right here. That's it. Mama is right here. Having an avocado and yogurt. Hello.
Right, I'm off, Chucks. Hold along. Oh, no, not the poison.
At hanggang dito na lang muna yung aming vlog, mga palangga. Maraming salamat sa panonood at sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa amin. Bye-bye from Lily and from Mommy. Bye-bye!